So I'm trying out the camera for the Redmi Note 13 and we're gonna try the pro settings. So let's go to camera mode and then let's look for the pro settings. Look at that, we have now our framing. We shift to landscape mode. Alright, so there you go, we have there the Ninja Turtle. I think that's Raphael. So we have here the ISO settings to adjust the amount of light that enters into the sensor or into the camera. There we go, let's adjust some framing here. It's my first time to do this with the pro settings using the Redmi Note 13, so bear with me. By the way, please subscribe. So here you go, the pizza on the skateboard. Let's take some time to adjust things. I just took some sample shots there. So here we go, the shutter speed adjustment also is here. So that's how fast the click of the shutter is. Somewhat like simulating the camera or DSLR cameras. So I'll just stick with the 800 ISO, then the 1 and 125 there. Let's go. Somewhat, let's kind of mix and look for the right spot. Also, we have here focus settings, autofocus, manual focus, and also the white balance to adjust the color. And let's see. Now basically everything you have on a DSLR camera or an SLR camera is here on this pro settings for Redmi Note 13. Now let's see. By the way, the camera on this one is 108 megapixel. So I don't know what to expect. So let's just try. I'm just mixing things. So let's try the lowest ISO possible to avoid noise. And then high shutter speed, and let's focus that a bit, and let's see the sample shots that we have. Not bad for a cell phone camera. Of course you can see noise there because it's not in a well-lit area, but then that's it. Those are sample shots from the pro of the Redmi Note 13. Tell me what you think. This is Rai. Please subscribe to this channel. See you on the next one. Bye.